a quick shot for elevator fans here. Don't see a name. Number 100. All right, we're in room 207 at the Holiday Inn Express at Arlington Heights. Check out our doors. Have our normal slide and our deadbolt. Light switch for this light. Our bathroom. Check out the toilet, looks okay. Nothing to complain about there, and the shower looks like our standard HD shower. Looks decent. The liner looks clean. And our Dove shower products. It is a little tight right there. It's a size 12 shoe, and that's about all the room I had. Sink again, and looks in good shape. And the counter. There's our extra towels. All these are just false, there's nothing here. Our closet area. Goes the ironing board. And the room. This one I believe is 2 queens. I don't really recall, to be honest. The light shade has seen some better days, but nothing to worry about there. Let's take a look at these beds real quick. Turned down nicely. Not in a bag. Does have a protector and the fitted sheet. Seems okay on that side. Same thing over here. Let's try looking down this side instead. Yep, protector. And not in a bag again, but the mattress seems to be okay. Favorite microwave looks spotless actually. And then our mini fridge, that door has a little bit of a rough patch to it. Well, you know what? It's cold. Is it fantastic? No, but I bet it's effective. This is a little stiff. Definitely seen some wear. But again, there's nothing, at least in my opinion, to complain about here. Nothing worrisome or totally worn out. They cleared out the K-cup. There's some sediment built up, but I think it's going to be okay. Looks like it's actually coffee grounds that fell in. You get the Green Mountain assortment. Here's our view. Nothing exciting. Kids will love the construction project across the street. We'll just spin back around, get another shot of the room from the opposite corner. I'd say looks good to me. You're not going to be blown away with amenities at a hotel level like this, or the price point, but certainly sufficient, and doesn't appear to be any issues. If something else comes up, we'll let you know. Otherwise, thanks for watching.